So, my name is Gleb Kanatel, and I work as Business Development Manager in Integros, and I'm really glad to welcome you to our today's webinar. Firstly, I'd like to introduce my dear colleague Dmitro, who is our consulting director and who will be presenting in a while. Please be sure that our webinar will take approximately 20-25 minutes, and you are welcome to ask your questions by using the relevant box on the right side. And if any technical issues, please use the chat box also on the right side. Today, we'll talk about how to make your sales team truly mobile and put all key CRM data at the end of their fingertips. So, for those who joined us for the very first time, I'd like to say a few words about our company. As you may see, we're an advanced sugar CRM partner located in Eastern Europe. We develop and proceed various instruments and solutions in order to boost sugar CRM efficiency, and we deliver complex CRM implementation projects of best quality and on time. So, the importance of CRM mobile apps is obvious in modern business. Mobile apps have positively effect on sales growth and drastically improve user satisfaction, which in turn has a positive effect on users' adoption and increase the return on investments in CRM technologies. So now I'm pleased to turn the floor over to Dmitro.
Thank you, Gleb. Hello, my name is Dmitro Chupilka, and I will show you today how salespeople become truly mobile with Sugar and literally manage CRM data at the fingertips. So what's important when working outdoor is to be on top of everything related to the customers and products, and also to get support from the team. So let's have a look how to manage it in Sugar. Jim is my favorite character from Sugar demo. We both face the same challenge when getting outside the office. How to be aware of key event happened, react on them, and collaborate efficiently without laptop. Jim feels comfortable with his Make Me Aware dashboard on his laptop. He utilizes key events, threads to be aware of the company to customer interactions, to keep an eye on important aspects. On the left side, here is his funnel. On the right side, his forecast. And in the center is a thread where the funnel changes. But what happens when Jim is forced to leave the favorite Sugar dashboard on the laptop due to business trip? His working space shrinks to the size of mobile device environment. His smartphone is just like mine. It is full of applications, but for working in a trip, Jim used my Sugar group. Thanks to Sugar Mobile SDK, it is possible now to extend regular Sugar Mobile application with additional capabilities. So I will again ask Jim to this branded mobile application. Yep. So as you can see from here, all the regular Sugar Mobile functionality is available, but thanks to timeline extension, Jim also gets the same key events thread on mobile. The extension dashlets are highlighted with gray, and with them, Jim observes key event thread just like on his desktop. The key events from different sources are displayed in the single stream, whether they came from CRM or other systems, including messages from the teammates. This is a question from Sally regarding opportunity rollback happened. This question is about the revenue line item, which is the object by funding company. And also this key event is related to the target, which is the company this revenue line item and opportunity refers to. So in order to answer the questions of Sally, I have to get details regarding this company. And in order to do that, I just use the direct link to the Bay funding company. The key events thread regarding Bay funding company is at the Jim's fingertips on the dashboard subpanel. Different events are represented on the timeline in chronological order. So here is the email, and Jim is able to read this email directly from this interface with a single click. And also here is the communication between his teammates and the customer, and also the dialogue between the teammates. Also, Jim is aware now regarding the medium priority case is opened by Regina Leslow. The notes are related to this account. And also here is the high priority case that was closed. However, it was closed with SLA broken. So just a few seconds spent on exploring interactions. And finally, after these seconds, the opportunity rollback is clear. The SLA was broken yesterday, and customers still faced performance issues. So the decision comes immediately, and Jim can respond to Sally directly from this interface by this way, command Sally the reason is poor service. But regarding return on investment, please refer to the document of tips and save the command. Obviously, while performing the daily work, we quite often face the situation when I have the incoming call from the customer, when I'm interrupted with incoming call from one of my customers. So in this case, I'm able to, with Sugar AD application, the salesperson receives brief of activities, and recent key events happened while he was outside the office. So Jim was not aware of service level agreement was broken for arts and crafts company, but with this Sugar extension, he gets ready for conversation before picking up the phone. And that's the key for the success, because since he is ready for the call, Catherine agreed to order more resources to comply with SLA. And this information, when the call is completed, should be described in the minutes of the call and saved into Sugar. So I do it directly from here. Plus, write description. Catherine agreed to order more resources and in order to comply with the SLA. This call was held. Okay. So the call is completed and saved in the context of Catherine. The call goes to the thread of the customer key events, and that is why the salesperson don't spend much time just to refer to the context in order to talk to notify something to his teammates. So he do that directly from this interface. Will is responsible for company of arts and crafts. So we just put the command to Will that Catherine is waiting for the order. And also, let's mention support, Regina. No more SLA broken events, please. Because we're eager to retain this customer. All the addressees of the commands will get notifications. So now Jim can lock the phone and continue the trip. So what we saw today, while the threads of key events provide immediate access to CRM data, focusing you on the important aspects, there is no difference if salesperson operates indoor or outdoor. He remains aware. The ability to read event details from mobile, including reading teammates' emails have been sent to customers, saves the time significantly. Key events commenting eliminates the duty of repeating the context while addressing the teammates. And this is crucial for mobile CRM user adoption due to the amount of time to be spent for writing text on mobile device. All that is needed in Sugar Enterprise subscription, which includes mobile SDK that provides to extend regular Sugar mobile application, and Timeline Viewer add-on that works for both laptop and mobile. The investments in mobile for your company comes back as effective sales. Now your questions, please.
Thank you, Dmitro, for such interesting presentation. Let me check. I guess we have no questions from our dear attendees. So I think everything is clear. Oh, we have one question. Just okay, we'll wait. No problem.
How can they get from mobile? The question is how the key events gets to mobile. So if we talk about the way we just push these key events on mobile, that was done with mobile SDK. That was the extension of this regular mobile application. So that is how it works. Timeline Viewer is the add-on for Sugar. So if you use a Timeline Viewer, you can get these key events on your mobile if your mobile application is extended with Sugar SDK.
Thank you, Dmitro. We have one more question from our dear attendee. 1 minute, please.
All key events notifications are provided in real time. Yeah, sure. They are provided in real time because of natural integration, synchronization between the Sugar mobile application and Sugar itself, Sugar laptop. So the way they works is just the same how the information goes between the Sugar mobile application and Sugar Cloud.
Okay, it seems to be all for today. So, oh, thanks. Such nice greetings from our attendees. Thank you very much. So, I'd like to add one small remark. Please do not forget to leave your feedback after the webinar by filling in the form. And of course, thank you for joining us today. You can always rely on our help, and have a good day, and bye bye.